Hi people, how are you? Let me know below and welcome back in today's new vlog. So I still have laundry. There is whites of yesterday. There are 2 loads here drying right now, and here is some water from the dryer, doesn't matter. So right now we are going to wash darks, jeans and blues, blue colors, cold colors, call it whatever you want. So here it comes right now, like green and blue and that kind of stuff. Okay, but what I'm gonna do, I'm going to put, this is the last scoop of Lenor purple powder, so it goes into the drum right now. Okay, and also I will add blue Spring Awakening Lenor Unstoppables. Okay, okay, yep, everything is in there, gorgeous. Of course, I'm going to put a little bit of Ace for extra hygiene, since it's only 40-degree wash. And yeah, only one thing I really miss in this machine is 50 degrees. Okay, so here comes Ace as well, but maybe I will also throw Calgon tablet in there. I mean, anti-lime scale tab. Okay. So right now it goes into the drum as well. As softener, I'm going to pour Lenor Spring Awakening till max. Gorgeous. Okay, and now I will set it on jeans and dark clothing, 1 time short and 1 time extra rims. So I'll see you when it's ready. Oh, look at that. I'm curious about that program actually, because So I see you when it's ready, when it's heated up. So because I had a feeling like the washing machine doesn't heat up properly, I have like this thing. It's 40 degrees, 1 hour 11 left. And we see it's around 40 degrees. So it's alright for that program. Even a little bit more, so that's alright. So the next load are bright colors, and for that load I will be using Ariel powder. It's almost empty. So I shall take 1 scoop out, then just put it in. Of course, a stain remover and Lenor Unstoppables. Cannot open it. Amazing. Okay, and Ace stuff. I will put you here right now for the time being. Okay, so I thought of trying shirts. Well, 1.5 hours should be enough. 800, but then I think I will respin. Yeah. Is it alright? I think so. Well, you know what? I will do the same, but I will add extra rings. So actually, I've seen it doesn't change a lot in programming, so I will just let it be this way. And here we go. Oh yeah, I forgot softener like always actually. And of course Ace. Okay, I'm gonna wait. Yeah. Actually, this is gonna be easier if I do it like that, since it's only 1 wash left anyway. And I'm going to put it back, pour it back to the bottle, because I do not like dosing with cups, you know. So this is the last wash with Ace, but do not worry, I have more. Very curious about that program actually. The drum is not too full, but it's alright. I love the water levels in that washing machine. And Ariel is also almost in its finish. Like 3 washes more, I guess. And then it's gonna go. Oh, oh no. Did I pause? Oh, I did pause. Or didn't I pause? I don't know, it makes me feel crazy. Oh, I didn't pause. Okay. So, this is one. This is the second scoop. I like to add like scoop per wash since I have new washing machine. And actually let me put it this way. I love the smell of Polish Ariel. Such classic, beautiful scent. Second scoop, I will take third scoop, and then I will be able to throw this back out. I probably need to should start using some liquids, but there will be time for it as well, do not worry, people. So 3 washes and a little bit. You see? 1, 2, 3, and still here. So I guess like 4 washes will it be? But this is not a problem. But yeah, I have it already pre-dosed for myself. And then when I will be washing, I can just easily just grab it and start my wash. There is previous load drying. I actually was trying something that... Huh? Okay, doesn't matter. I mean, huh? Okay, so I basically put to the dryer things that haven't been washed yet. Like, what the fuck is going on? Be right back. Well, I actually planned today to make a vlog, like showing more of my life, but unfortunately plans changed, so we are washing again. So the next load, the dryer is running with next load, and for gray stuff I'm going to use gel, bulk gel with Lenor Spring Awakening scent, but of course also my favorite Ace, which is basically empty now, but no worries, I have another bottle. Some Unstoppables. Okay, so here it comes. And of course our detergent. I love the smell of this bolt, it's so gorgeous. Yeah. So all the stuff is going in there right now. Cottons, but I will press extra rinse actually, so I'll be right back. So here we are. But this bolt is so gorgeous. I love it, love it, love it. I don't know why it isn't available on European market, on the UK, but it's really nice detergent and far better than capsules. Oh yeah, I didn't add softener. Why I always keep forgetting adding softener? I don't know. But it doesn't matter. So right now, softener, and this is like real spring awakening wash because gosh, it smells gorgeous. Typical classic. I love it. So I'm going to finish today third and I think last wash day. So I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, like, subscribe, comment, and I shall see you in the next one. Just take care. Bye.